In this video, I'll show you how to cut, copy and paste in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, let me explain what each one means. Cut means you remove something from one place so you can move it to somewhere else. Copy means you can duplicate it while keeping the original where it is. And paste means place the cut or copied item into a new location. Let's start with copy and paste. First, select the text you want to copy. You could do this by pressing Ctrl+A or clicking and dragging over the text you want to copy. Then there's two options. The first one is going to the Home tab and click on Copy, or using a shortcut on your keyboard by pressing Ctrl+C. Once you've copied the text, locate where you want to paste it and then press Ctrl+V, or pressing Paste below Home. Now let's look at cut and paste. Again, select the text you want to cut, then either click Cut underneath the Home tab or press Ctrl+X. Then we're going to navigate to where you want to paste it and simply press Paste or Ctrl+V, and it'll paste the cut content. You can, of course, cut, copy and paste by right-clicking, and you can go Cut, Copy, and this one here is typically what you use. It keeps source formatting, as in it will make it look the same as it was once before. All of these methods work with images, shapes, and other objects in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn other basic formatting tips, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.